It's August 25th and I've set up my capstan water wheel to rotate the reflector here. So I just moved it back a bit so that you could see it. It doesn't go as fast as this normally because the reflector has to go slowly. But I've just moved it back about, I don't know, 15 degrees. So it's going to move relatively fast for a little while. And I thought my issue with this would be it would not be powerful enough. But there is no problem with power because this is the amount of water that is moving it at the moment. Tiny amount of water. And here is one releases, one pulls at the same time, and it's rotating the reflector. Here is my airlift pump. So water comes up here, and as soon as it's working quite nicely actually, and as soon as it goes to the right place, this here will get tight against the rubber here and stop it from moving again. But I'm going to speed this up, so I'm just going to push this down just to kind of show you more quickly. So I've tightened it up a little, and as you can see, the water has stopped. The airlift pump has stopped because this rubber is crimped. And I loosen it back a bit just to show. So as soon as it gets to the right spot, it will stop. So I don't know what happens when it gets windy with this, but this is the first time I've ever got it working, and it will. So this will replace the barrel here and the other barrel here. So it will, like right now it's not very compact, but it will be compact later on, and it's probably quite a bit better because I can do a direct line from without. On this other thing I had the string was caught here and here, and one of the strings went up like this. So the only place the string has anything happen to it is here where it twists around the shaft here. So I think it's probably quite a bit better, apart from I've no idea how it handles the wind. So anyway, yeah, I did it. And it's a new type of, I guess, water wheel. I don't know what we're gonna. We've got to get a name for it, so that. So in my case, it's powered by an airlift pump, and it's controlled by an airlift or by air pressure. But you'll be able to control it with photodiode and something that just turns on and off the air. Little electrical switch. So it'll save people having to put motors onto their solar reflectors. It might end up being cheaper, maybe not, maybe easier though for some people. So here's the water wheel, and it's run by an airlift pump, and it's rotating the reflector for my solar cooker. And the water wheel will replace this and this to move it, so it's a bit more compact, uses less material, etc., etc. And I like that it's using an old fan. An old fan is the shaft for it. So in my case, I like reusing stuff that's no good anymore, especially in my experiments. And here we can see how each little cup fits into the next cup, and it makes and it's pressed up against it and makes it nice and snug. It's 18-sided. It looks like a circle, but it's actually an 18-sided piece, and there's 18 of these cups on it. And I'm sure I didn't pick the very best way of putting it together first time, but you know, it might work better with different cups, or it might work better with a cup with no lip on it. It might be a good idea to put a little hole in each one about 1 centimeter from the top, but I don't know. We'll have to figure that out later. But absolutely no problem turning this. So this is the rubber tube that's crimped, and after it, it's very important to have a valve to slow down the air, because if you just let the air come through at full speed, instead of getting water just dripping out slowly through this, you will get water going really, really quickly, and I will demonstrate. So this is the valve open fully, and or maybe it's not quite fully open here, but the water can spray a bit and splash a bit, so I like to cut it back quite a lot. Oh, maybe I am. So I've cut that back a lot, and it's just I've got to cut it back a bit more, but you cut it back to the right amount, and your water flow here isn't messy. I think I've got it close now. Yeah, so that's a bit better. And I'll cut back some more. And yeah, because we don't want water splashing all over the place, and we don't need the water going fast. So there we go. That's a nice speed. Yeah, it's going nicely. Thank you.